Morning and well, good afternoon, and welcome to the Littoral in Bondi. I'm just after coming in the gates. I'm just walking in the gates. As I walk in the gates, you'll see the reception just on your right and the entertainment area on the left. I'd like to just point out as well that it is now noon, and just over my head to the left is the sun. The sun rises on your left as you enter the camp and sets on the right as you enter the camp. So when you are coming in and you're looking to set up your site, just remember everything is on your left for the sun in the morning, and it's on your right in the evening. Just there as I'm standing here, you can see there's the bar where all the nice entertainment has a stage, restaurant, and over there is a swimming pool. You also have the info session here on your left as you come in the gate. The kids entertainment center just on the right, and the basketball, tennis, soccer court, table tennis tables all on your left there. So if you are coming in with a caravan, you are going to pretty much come in and probably go left here. You can see the sign there saying Access Camping Car. When you come around here, you'll see there's the playground on your right. Now the direction I'm traveling now is where the sun rises, as I say, and it sets behind my back. This road here itself is I'm going to say probably the busiest little road here. Everything kind of happens along here. I'll bring the camera back down a bit now because I'm just passing the pool. I don't want to be a weirdo. Yeah, so that's sort of the, you can see on the right there you have all of the camping cabins that people rent out, and all full, pretty much the same similar layout to this around the place. There's a lot of these here. These numbers here are 258, 257 as I'm walking past them. Just so you want to give yourself a direction if you're looking at the map online as to where I am now. I'm just coming up then to the first junction that you would probably be looking at. There are some caravan slots down to my right, but I'm going to stay away from them probably during this walk and just kind of show you where I am right now. So I'm just at 253 where this junction is. You'll see there's also a hut number 100 as I come around the corner. I'm going to turn left because this is where most of the camping and caravan and motorhome pitches are up here to my left. And I'll take you walking around them as well. So again, over on my left here, you'll see this is the rear entrance, or the side entrance if you want to call it that, to the pool. Grand in there, wash your feet, away you go. You also have change rooms there for the pool just on your left in that yellow building, and that's the entrance as well into the indoor part of the pool if you want to get it from this side. That's where the morning aerobics, water aerobics take place. As I say, you come around this corner here and you have some more of these cabins. So again, we're coming up to the junction now where most of these caravan and camping pitches are motorhome pitches. So I'm going to stop here. There's a car coming up behind me, let them pass. I'm now between pitch number, or cabin number 101 and 109, and I'm just turning left to go up here. We will see a lot of camping pitches, all pretty good sizes. So you can see here now, this is noon and I'm at pitch number 80. Just for reference, this is where the sun is on that. So, you know, if you're looking for your exact pitch, take a look at the map. I'm now at 80. On my left is number 53. So the numbering takes a bit of working out, but it does work. So you can kind of see where everything is. You can see where some of them are as we go along here. So these are just the caravan camping pitches. All have different pros and cons, shapes and angles. There is a little ditch in between them all, which is always nice and handy. Again, I'm coming up and around this corner. There's sort of a one-way system, I think, for when you're driving around, but I think when you're putting in your caravan, no one policing it or giving you out to you or anything like that. Oh, I should have just shown you as well, back there by pitch number 56, there is a little footpath between 56 and 57, which gives you access up towards the, I want to say, the overflow parking, which is also where the bin storage and all that is. I'm just passing pitch number 60 here now, which has on my left, which has an access path down there to the sanitation block. That is between 75 and 76 as well, which is where the sanitation blocks and stuff like that are, and your wash-up stations and all that kind of stuff for anyone who's camping and caravanning. So yes, I'm going to carry on just around the corner here, where you can see all these pitches. Now I'm going up here on 64 and 65 to my left as I come around the corner. You'll see the size of them. They're big pitches, they're small pitches. You can see where the shadows are. All of these now would be in full coverage, sunshine in the evening. So they are. So as we come around the corner here, you can now see kind of caravans lengthwise, widthwise, upwise, all sorts of angles park in, just whatever suits the person who's putting them in, camper van and everything else. Great family entertainment areas here. So they are, and this is all where we are, so just beside where my camping area is. So this is sort of a U-shaped building, and I'm exiting out here. Like, oh yeah, do watch out. Some of these camping sites you'll see here, I'm at number 69 on my left and number 462 on my right. There are trees in the middle of the site. So just take that into mind when you are thinking about camping here. The trees on your left and your right, you can see, might make a difference to you how you want to do these things. So I'm just going to come over here, because over here there are a few more kind of camping pods just around this corner here. I get the feel that they're probably having less and less camping pods in this place and change them all over to the cabins. So I'm now at the junction here. I'm at cabins number 29 and 151. Down to my right is all cabins. And you can see here there are two more camping pitches just here on my left. So you can just see that there, that if you were thinking of camping or bringing your caravan in, just to be aware there is a tree in the middle of number 31. So just to be aware of that, if that was to impact you. Now, again, I'm going back towards the area where my camping and caravan area is. And there are some more pitches over here as well that I'll kind of show you as I'm walking around. So you saw this a minute ago. Again, this is a nice big pitch here that we were at a few minutes ago. It looks really well. And there is a pitch there to my left. As I pass it there behind me, you should be able to see it. This is a grand road as well. You'll have plenty of turning space for your caravan, you know, just someone behind you, make sure you don't hit anything, but like, it's fine, there's plenty of space, no risks. It's coming in here now, again, another fine big pitch here where there is trees at the back, but that creates a nice little shaded area. That's 461, a nice little spot. Again, I'm just going to come down here now by 128. You can see that there's pitches for caravans on the right and motorhomes, or the static homes, on the left. Just to kind of give you a sight of what's down around this area as well. So let's keep coming down here, and you can see all this area. Again, nice sunshine here in the morning. Again, a lot of these could get sunshine kind of at the front of their site in the evening. So just depending on what you're looking for, what you need out of when you're camping. As I come around here, there's another sanitation block here. This door that I'm passing here is the children's entrance, really. I'm not really, as I say, not going through the static homes, I'm just going through the caravans. You can see there's a whole bunch of them there on my left. Again, as I come across here, all sorts of sites and setups, and this is more the adult. You can see, I don't know if you can see that on my right there, the adult section there around entering that toilet. Now I just bring you over here because there is a couple of spots just over here. I'm passing camping pitches now, 167, 168 right now on my left. Again, these will be getting sunshine all day around, no shelter really. The sun is, as I say, it's midday now, so it's at its highest. So I'm not sure how much it's getting picked up on the camera. You see here pitches 166, 165, big spaces. If you have a big old bus and you want to be looking for somewhere that you want to park it up. Oh, French people, of course, with their French flag. Very little flag flying, I've noticed. There was a little bit when I came here first. You'll see when you get up to my site in a few minutes, we have our Connacht and our Munster flags flying, but not a lot else of it. So now I've just come around the corner here, and I'm passing static home 121 and coming around the sanitation block that is here. So just as I come up this bit of roadway here, you'll see I'm now outside. Where's the pitch number there? Can't see it, but there it is. 123 is the caravan pitch, and there's a few more pitches along this bit of road here as well. Nice, they're smaller, but they're fine. Again, you'll fit a good sized caravan lengthwise or nosewise in, no problems at all. And you can see these are all well set up. Ground is all rock hard here, as you'd expect this time of year. I'm here towards the end of August in 2024, and there's a pitch there that had a caravan in it only yesterday. So they do turn around the sites here fairly quick. So if you remember a couple of minutes ago, just over to my left, I took you up that roadway in there around those pitches, and then there's sanitation block number 3, so that's where I'm standing right now. I'll take you in here. I'm passing pitch number 81. I'm coming around these pitches. This is where my caravan is based, and you can see that this is like a little mini corner area. Again, good sized pitches here. You can see it just behind that one there. Oh, my Connacht flag has flown on the inside. Let me go fix that. We have to have our flag out, right? Time of the year. So now we have our Connacht flag back out and our Munster flag representing. So this is our pitch that we're 84. Again, it's kind of got a funny shape and an angle to it, as has number 85. Again, big old pitches and sites. And then you're coming around here on my right there, you can see is the kitchens and the sanitation block entrance just down here to the door. So that is all of a nice walk around of all of the camping and caravan pitches that are around, camper homes and stuff like that. I hope it was useful to you, and I hope if you do come here you have a great time. I'm not going to go in around the pools and stuff like that. You can see their promotional videos for that. But yeah, this is the Littoral 2024, and I hope if you do come here you have a great old time. Thanks very much for watching.